Sir, I choose the law that the Bill of Rights. The Bill of Rights is the first 10 amendments to the U.S. Constitution, protect basic rights and freedoms. It limits government power and ensure individual liberties. Key protection include freedom of religion, speech, the press, assembly, and petition. The right to bear arms, protection against unreasonable searches and seizure, due process and protection against self-incrimination. The right to a fair trial and protection against cruel, unusual punishment. It also acknowledges unlisted right and reserves power not delegated the federal government of the states of the people. In short, it safeguards individuals' liberty against government overreach. The Bill of Rights is a cornerstone of American democracy, protecting, protecting fundamental liberties and ensuring a balance of power between the government and its citizens. However, the interpretation and application of this interpretation right remains subject of ongoing debate and legal challenges. Includes several important protections. Due process of law. The government must follow fair procedure before depriving someone of the life, liberty, or property. Double jeopardy. Individuals cannot be tried twice for the same crime. Self-incrimination. Individuals cannot be forced to testify against themselves, pleading the fake. Eminent domain. The government can seize private property for a public use but only with just compensation of fundamental freedoms. First Amendment. This amendment guarantees five essential freedoms: religion, free exercise, no establishment of a state religion; speech, expression of ideas including criticism of the government, though with limitation on incitement and defamation; free dissemination of information; assembly, peaceful gathering; a petition; the right to ask government for redress and governance; right to bear arms. Second Amendment. This amendment protects the right to keep and bear arms, though its interpretation is heavily debated and constantly evolving through court cases focusing in the balance between individual right and public safety. Protection against quartering of traps. Third Amendment. A largely historical amendment, it prevents the government from the forcing citizens to house soldiers in their homes without their consent. It reflects a reaction of British practice to prior American Revolution.